Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Garmin device with Garmin Connect easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Garmin device is charged and turned on. Download and install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to register. If you already have an account, tap Sign in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, tap the More option found at the bottom right of the screen. Select Garmin devices from the menu. Now, tap Add device to start the pairing process. Choose your specific Garmin device from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include selecting the device type or entering a code. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for the pairing to work. When prompted, place your Garmin device in pairing mode, usually done by pressing a specific button. After a few moments, the app should find your device. Tap to confirm the pairing. Once paired, follow any additional prompts to complete the authorization process. You may be asked to customize your device settings or sync activities. After setup, you'll see your device listed in the Garmin Connect app. You can now track your activities, monitor health metrics, and explore other features. Remember to sync your device regularly for the best experience. And that's how you authorize a Garmin device with Garmin Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.